A very good morning, class 10. From today, we will start sphere, okay? So, third topic of mensuration. You have already done cylinder and cone. So, today we will start sphere. So, first formula, okay, this is sphere, okay? Your football, ball, no, volleyball, these all are an example of sphere. Okay, so surface area of the sphere, we have only one area. We don't have your lateral surface area and total surface area. We have only one area, that is surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay, 4 pi r square is the surface area of the sphere. Number 2 is volume of the sphere. What will be the volume? Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is the formula of sphere. Okay, next is hemisphere. Hemisphere means when you cut this sphere into two equal half, each half is called hemisphere. So half of sphere is hemisphere. Its shape is like this. Okay, so hemisphere is its surface area. Surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Then volume is half of this sphere, 4 by 3. Here is 4 by 3. So here will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. So these are the formula of sphere and hemisphere. Now we will start exercise 20C. Question number 1. The surface area of a sphere is 2464 centimeters square. Find its volume. So here surface area of the sphere is given. You have to find volume. So surface area is this much. Formula is 4 pi r square is equal to 2464. Value of pi is 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 2464. 4 into 22, 88. 88 by 7 into r square is equals to 2464. So r square is equals to 2464 into, this will be reciprocal, 7 by 88. Now cancel. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 11s are 22, 2 3s are 6, 0, then 2 8s are 16, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, remainder 8, so 88, 11 8s are 88. So 28 into 7 is 196. So square root of 196 is 14 centimeter. Now we have to find volume. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 14 cube. So 14 cube is 14 into 14 into 14. Now you can cancel. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So when you multiply this numerator, you will get 34,496. Then divided by 3. So on division, you will get 11,498.67 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of sphere. Now next question number 2. The volume of a sphere is 38,808 centimeter cube. Find its diameter and the surface area. So here volume is given. So volume of a sphere is given. Its formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 38,808. In place of pi, write 22 by 7. Now 4 into 22 is 88. 88 by 7 3s are 21 into r cube is equal to 38,808. So r cube is equal to this multiply by its reciprocal, 21 by 88. Now cancel. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 4s are 8. 0. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. 2 7s are 14. 0. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 11s are 22, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. Then we can cancel with 11, 11 1s are 11, 11 4s are 44, then remainder is 4. 11 4s are 44, remainder is 1, 11 1s are 11. So 441 into 21 is 9,261, which is cube of 21. So 9261 is 21 cube. So R is 21 centimeter. Here you have to find diameter, and diameter is double of or twice of the radius. So 2R, 2 into 21, 42 centimeter. This is the diameter of the sphere. Now we will find surface area. Formula is 4 pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 21. 21 square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So when you multiply, you will get 5544 centimeter square. Now next, question number 3. A spherical ball of lead has been melted and made into identical smaller balls with radius equal to half the radius of the original one. How many such balls can be made? Now you imagine one spherical ball, okay, which is made up of lead. Now you have to melt that sphere and convert into smaller sphere whose radius is half of that old sphere, okay. Now you have to find, when you melt that large sphere and convert into small sphere, okay, how many spheres can be formed? That is your question. So large ball and small ball, no, radius is not given, only it is given when you melt, okay, the new sphere will have half of the radius of that previous sphere. So radius is r, suppose. So if its radius is r, then the radius of small ball will be r by 2. It will be half. Here it is given equal to half the radius. So number of small balls you have to find. So I have told in previous exercise, when you have to find the number of small balls, you have to divide by its volume of small ball. So volume of large ball divided by volume of small ball. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, and here also 4 by 3 pi r is r by 2 whole cube. Cancel this 4 by 3 pi, then r cube by 8. So this will be reciprocal, r cube cancel. Answer is 8.